Hello and welcome to Canning Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot today on a Pasquini Livia 90. We replaced the heating element. I did a complete tune-up. This machine had been been in storage for a while, so we decalcified, descaled, and got this thing working really good. So let's do a test shot. Go. It's a little test coffee, so could maybe pack a little tighter. Check the steam. Nice, powerful steam. Check the water. There we go. Once again, this is a great single boiler espresso machine. Thank you very much for repairing with Canning Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.